What's going on, guys? Today I'm doing performance polyurethane body mounts on the Tahoe. So I did pretty much all of them last night except for the two in the rear, but I'm going to give you guys the rundown on how to do it yourself. So this is what they look like. I got these off Amazon. It came with 12. My Tahoe only takes 10. I think the Suburban takes 12. Not sure, that's why they gave me extra, but I got all these and they were only 200 bucks. If I did all the boring factory one, it would have been probably like triple the cost. But I'm going to show you what they look like right now. That's what they look like installed. I still have to tighten it, but see what I mean? So this piece here comes off of this, and that sits right in there like that. Then this metal piece gets sandwiched between the bottom and the top piece, and then you just put your washer and your nut through and you're good to go, and it won't ride like garbage anymore. So yeah, I just got the two back ones left to do. Yeah, you take these blocks and you push up on the body and not on the frame, and it separates it, but you want to make sure you loosen up all the bolts first before, because obviously it's not going to come apart if you don't loosen the bolts. Alright, so I just found out why I couldn't get the rear mounts out. Because this actually does take 12, not 10, and I had 2 that I forgot to unbolt. So it was making it so the frame wouldn't separate from the truck. So I'll show you where those are here. Up here, I thought were just like basically bump stops, but they're not. They have a bolt in there, right in there. I'm going to take those out. I'm going to replace those 2, so we got 4 left to do. Yeah. Oh, it's rusty. Now the other side. Oh, this is one rusty truck. But yeah, the jack's there, wood blocks are in there, and now I'm able to pull out the rear shocks just like that. Well, rear body mount. And then there's this one up here. See if I can grab that real easy. Oh yeah, awesome. So now I'm gonna go ahead and replace those and then do the other side. Just like that. Alright, now to put them in. Just like this. Goes to the bottom. See, mine's a little fucked up. You put your bottom bushing right on, like this. Try not to get rust in your eyes. Then you put your washer on with this bolt. I recommend new bolts, but I forgot, so I'm trying to use the old ones. Just like that. And then you do all of them, and then you snug them all up, and then you're good to go. Now let's do that. Aha! Wow, that's fucking rusty. Alright. So that one's all good, that one's in. Yeah. Mint. Now to put the new ones in. Cool. Alright, so the hardware wasn't long enough because the bushings were so much bigger than the factory one, so I ran to the hardware store and I got basically same ones, but they're threaded all the way up, because this one doesn't thread all the way up, so I wasn't able to like actually grab the chassis with it to mount the body mount. But yeah, so all the body mounts are installed. They're torqued to 44 foot-pounds. That's what the factory called for. I did a little bit more just because 44 didn't seem like a lot to me. See, they're in there, and there, and there, and there. So they're all in, they're all tight. The only 2 that are left are the 2 front ones that is basically like almost your radiator support. But I need a friend to hold the nut because this one it has a nut at the bottom and a bolt that goes through the top, so you need 2 people. And I'm going to call Ian, and hopefully he'll come over and be able to hold a wrench up there while I hit it with the impact at the bottom. Yeah, say, what are you doing? Alright, so he's on his way. He claims he'll be here in 20 minutes. Well, he said 10, but I gave him 20 because he's slow. Alright, Ian made it here, and we're going to finish this job up.
Yeah, what do we have to do?
We have to, basically, you have to hold this nut in here, and I hold this bottle. Wow, you're not even paying attention.
No, I'm not.
You ask me what to do, and then you just go on your phone. All right, in there, there's a bolt that you're gonna hold with a wrench, and then I'm gonna put this nut on the bottom, and you holding it, I'll be able to do so. Remember, I'm on this side, so.
Oh, you cocksucker.
What do you mean?
You're on this side.
Kind of obvious. How do you not see where my legs are?
Oh, look at your legs.
Fucking psycho.
Look at you for the beautiful person that you are.
Fucking. Oh wow, it looks like a fucking pound washer to the teeth. Woo! Alright.
Alright, now we get to use my $200 toy.
Alright, we just finished the 2 final ones in the front. Now we're gonna button it up, put all the headlights back in, then we're gonna take it for a ride and see if we can notice a difference, which we should because the old bushings look like this. A big old pile of junk. Alright, so Tahoe is all put together. Now we're gonna take it on a test ride. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart. Alright, so we're still together, so that's good. Still in one piece.
Snaps all the bolts. Boom!
Alright, so far so good. Where do you want to go?
It'd be kind of cool to take a little day trip up to Prince Edward Island.
Rhode Island?
No, Prince Edward Island. It's up off of Canada.
Yeah, I'm not going to Rhode Island.
Prince Edward Island.
Why do you keep saying Rhode Island?
Prince Edward and road do not sound alike. Prince Edward Island, up by Seven Sands.
You're not even talking right.
Prince Edward Island! Off
Prince Edward Island.
Yes.
Okay.
Up off of
It
Canada.
literally sounded like you're saying Princess Rhode Island.
No, I said Prince Edward Island.
Up by Canada.
Yeah.
No.
Go to like Acadia National Park. It's only like 8 hours away. 8, 9.
No. We're not going.
You asked me where I want to go. I think it'd be a lovely day trip one of these
This is
days.
fucking stupid. A day trip.
Yeah.
The trip there would literally take the whole day.
No, so you'd have to get up crack of dawn. You get up like 5 in the morning. Get up there, you know, around noon.
No. Yeah, it definitely got rid of the clunking, which is awesome. I'm glad it's not like a stiff ride like it thought it was going to be. I'm hitting all these bumps like a champ. That's a big one. Cool. Alright, Tahoe's fixed. Alright, so Tahoe's fixed. All the mounts and everything is done. Please comment, like, subscribe, and see you guys at the track. Track. Truck.
See you in the
Oh, we
truck.
have to read that one.
Jesus.
Yeah.
That was rough.